Hi everyone, it's Aaron here from Extensive Services in Mile End, South Australia. We have just refinished these set of 3-piece Simmons wheels, back to looking brand new again. They were an original gold set that were fairly run down. They're being remade for a customer of ours, Lincoln, repeat customer. Thank you, Lincoln. Always love to see customers coming back when they're happy. So this set here, whether you choose your original gold, you choose your black, you have a different concept in mind. Hopefully we can help you out with what you've got in mind. We've got a nice fresh black paint in here. We've gone for stainless studs instead of black on this one, just for a little bit of contrast. We've polished those studs so they look nice and healthy and shiny. The outside is fully polished. If I flip it around here for you, you've got the inner back in here, which is a fresh matte black. If you decide to show the car and you want to clean and get it nice and sharp looking in back in there, that's all pretty good. If you decide that you aren't one of the guys that want to take their wheels off the car all the time and clean them, it can hide some of that dust and build up that happens back in behind those tight spokes. But whatever your project is, whether it's some Australian muscle like this that's going back out and go on a restored car, whether you've got a brand new car that you've hit the gutter on, you've been in a crash, you want to do a colour change, hopefully we can give you a hand. This is my first video going out to social media, so hopefully you like it. If you do, let me know and I'll try and give you some other insight into some of the other things we do. Thanks guys, bye.